Hi there, Ariana from Crafting Happiness here. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to crochet the cobble stitch, also known as the cobblestone stitch. This is the perfect stitch if you want the bubble effect to your work, but you don't want to spend a lot of time making it or using a lot of yarn, because this is definitely not a yarn eater like the regular bubble stitch is, but it gives you that really nice thick texture to your work, and this makes it perfect for baby blankets, for afghans, clothes, and even accessories because it's got a flat back. So yeah, I will show you today how to crochet the cobble stitch. For this tutorial I am using Aran yarn and a 5mm crochet hook. You can use any yarn you like with a matching hook. The pattern requires you to chain even numbers of chains, and my started chain is 22. So let's start with row 1 and single crochet in the second chain from the hook. Then single crochet in each stitch across. And this is your first row. Chain 1 and turn, and on round 2 we will start with a single crochet, and then we will make a treble. And to make a treble, yarn over twice, insert your hook in a stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2 again, and again yarn over and pull through 2, and this will form our fake bobble. Next, make a single crochet, and the way the pattern works is that we are working on the back of the work and the bobbles will be pushed on the outside, but it doesn't really matter because the bobbles are reversible, so you can push them on any side you want, but they naturally go on the outside, so you are working on the back. So next, make another bobble by making a treble like so, and followed by a single crochet. And this pattern is really easy. All you have to do now is make a treble followed by a single crochet and alternate these 2 stitches until the end of the row. So let's do that. And just keep alternating trebles and single crochet stitches until you reach the end. Okay, so this is our last treble, and in the last one we're going to finish this row with a single crochet. And this is your second row, and like I said, the fake bobbles will be on the other side. And what are we going to do? We are going to offset these bobbles, so they are not going to be one on top of each other. They're gonna be offset to create this pattern. So let's continue with our pattern, and before we turn, we chain 1 and start round 3 by single crocheting in the first stitch and in each stitch across. And this is our third row, just a single crochet row. Now we are going to chain 1 and turn, and now we are going to create the bubbles, but like I said, offset, so Each bubble will fall in between the bubbles in the row below. And to do that, we start the row with 2 single crochet, and then we are making a treble, and a single crochet. And we repeat this section, alternating trebles and single crochet until we have 1 stitch left. So let's do that. And now we have 1 stitch left, and we are going to single crochet in it. So this row starts and ends with 2 single crochet, and this is your 4th row. It's not much from the back, but when you turn it, you have these beautiful fake bobbles, and it doesn't use a lot of yarn, but it looks just as nice as the bobbles. Okay, so now from this point on, we are going to repeat the last 4 rows. So we alternate rows of single crochet with rows of cobble stitch, and just to offset them, we are starting 1 row with a single crochet and the other cobble stitch row with 2 single crochet, and that will offset the pattern by 1 stitch, and you will have these beautiful offset bobbles in your pattern. If you want the bobbles to be right on top of each other, just repeat the same row of bobbles. Otherwise, repeat the last 4 rows. And this is how you crochet the cobble stitch. I hope you found my tutorial easy to follow. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments below. I'll try and answer all of them. Thank you so much for watching. Happy crocheting!